Hello everyone, today I'll be reviewing the Starbucks birthday cake pop, and these are one of my favorite treats from Starbucks. So as you can see here, so this is like a little ball of cake with icing and little sprinkles on top. They're really good, really sweet. They're $2.95 each for this little tiny cake pop, but it's worth it in my opinion. So I want to get right into this here because there's not much to say. It's birthday cake in a pop, lollipop kind of format. It's different, but it's good. So I'm gonna get right into this. They can be a little messy, so And it like melts in your mouth. That's the best part about this. The cake's so rich and soft. You take a bite in and it's just melting. So good. So, woo. Yeah, these are delicious. They come in two, I won't say more than two flavors, but I think right now they only have the birthday cake and the chocolate cake. But I had a peppermint one before, and a couple other kinds. But the birthday cake I think is my favorite because it's sweet and tastes like birthday cake. Very soft. It literally melts in your mouth. Now, they might not be that big, but they're very sweet and very worth it, I think. There's only going to be 3 bites. I could probably finish this in one if I wanted to, but go ahead with the last bite here. I like the stuff on the outside. It's so good. The icing, it's kind of hard. And then on the inside, it's like very soft cake. I love these. Starbucks, thank you for making something so sweet for me. That is just delicious. And birthday cake pop is like probably one of my favorite treats ever. But again, very small. You only get a little ball. And that could be good though because it keeps you from overeating because it's very, very good in the small size. Doesn't leave you wanting much more, which is really nice. So that's great. Keeps me from eating 20 of these, and that's going to help the scale. So that's cool too. The cake pop, birthday cake pop, I would give that a 9 out of 10. Like, it is delicious. I can't even put into words. It's very unique, and they kind of like, as I keep saying, melt in your mouth. The consistency and texture is just so good. If you've never had one before, go try one because dang, they are delicious. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.